The VEVOR 3-in-1 metal machine is a versatile tool that combines the capabilities of a bending machine, shearing machine, and rolling machine, making it a valuable asset for any workshop or factory. This machine supports a maximum sheet width of 12 inches and a thickness of 20 gauge, allowing for precise and diverse metal processing tasks. Built with robust materials, including HT200 casting and T10 shearing blades, this machine ensures durability and a burr-free cutting experience. The segmented bending feature includes 5 customizable blades, offering flexibility for complex sheet metal processing projects, such as creating exterior wall panels and window materials. Advanced cylindrical grinding technology enhances the machine's stability and reduces friction, ensuring a smooth surface finish on processed sheet metal. The VEVOR 3-in-1 metal machine is ideal for use in homes, factories, and small workshops, providing efficiency and precision in metalworking tasks.